Hello, today I will show you how to make this cute little crochet heart. These can be sewn onto really anything or made into bookmarks or key rings or cute little Valentine's Day gifts or pocket hearts, my favorite. So to start, the yarn that I use is this. Now the one I have is gonna be three different shades of pink. So it's gonna randomly make the hearts different color, but you can really make this with any yarn. So I'm gonna make another one with this other, a little bit thicker, softer yarn as well to show you. And to start, I'm gonna use a 4mm hook. And I'm gonna make a magic loop. So my little trick for making a magic loop is I will wrap it around my finger twice with the small end to the right. I will put my needle through both along the finger, hook the second one and bring it through. Now when I remove my finger, I hold there and there will be a little loop. But if I let go, it's gonna just disappear. So I always finish it with a chain one. So I pull it through, hold it with this finger, and chain one. So now I have my magic loop. Now I'm gonna chain two more, so I have a total of 3 chains on my magic loop to start. And we're gonna be working inside this magic loop. The first stitch is a triple crochet. So I wrap twice, go into the loop, wrap, pull it through. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 on my needle. Wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through the last 2. So I now have the chain 3 and a triple crochet in my magic circle. I'm going to repeat that 2 more times so that I have a total of 3 triple crochets inside my magic circle. And it will look like this. Here's the chain 3, 1, 2, 3 triple crochets. Now I'm going to do a double crochet. This time I only wrap once. Go in the circle, wrap, bring it through. I have 3 loops on my hook. Wrap, bring through 2, wrap, bring through 2. So now I have a double crochet. I'm going to repeat that 2 more times to make a total of 3 double crochets. Just quickly pause and review what we have. We have our chain 3, 1, 2, 3 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to do another triple crochet. Wrap twice in the loop. After that, 1 more chain. We're basically done half of the heart. And I know it looks weird right now, but it will look like a heart when we finish. Now we're going to reverse. I'm going to do 3 double crochets. So wrap just once. That's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. So after my chain, it's easy to see the chain because it's a little bit of a space here. After my chain, I have 1, 2, 3 double crochets. Now I'm going to do 3 triple crochets. Sorry, it's a little blurry here. There we go. going to do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And I will finish with a slip knot in my magic circle, which means I just go straight into the magic circle without wrapping. Pull it through and pull it through again. No wrapping happened there. Now at this point we are actually finished. I'm going to cut my yarn. And I'm going to pull my needle out, pull that string tight, and it will look very strange. It will look like this. But what I'm going to do is pull the starter string from my magic circle, pull it really tight, and it's going to start to form into a heart shape. So the tighter you pull, the less of a little hole you'll have in the middle there. And I like to actually knot these 2 strings. I just do a little single or double knot. Make it nice and tight. And you are finished, your heart. Dun, 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 crochet heart, finished. Now you can either weave in these ends or you can use them to tie it onto something. So for example, my flowers on my basket here, I just left ends and I just use it to sew it on to whatever I want to attach it to. And that is it. However, I'm going to show you one more time with a different yarn. So this one is actually a yarn I do not like because it sticks to my rough fingers. But I'm going to show you the same process again without talking and stopping. I'm just going to make one and you can watch. And you'll see the difference with the different material. Okay. So yeah, the texture of this yarn, it kind of sticks to my dry fingers. So I hate it. However, this heart is so cute and soft when it's finished. So some people actually prefer this material for making their hearts with. That's how you make a crochet heart. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.